Today we are going to convert binary numbers to octal numbers. So binary numbers has a base 2 and octal numbers has base 8. Okay, so our first example is 110 1011. So the first step we'll do is to group the binary digits into sets of 3. So this one should be from right to left. And we're just going to add leading zeros if needed. So for the last group, we have to add 2 zeros there. So this is our first group, second group, and third group. Next is to convert each group to octal. Okay, so we have to multiply these numbers to the second base. So this should be 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4. Have to multiply these, the one that has number ones on it. Next is we're going to add them up. So 2 plus 1 is 3. 4 plus 1 is 5. And of course, this is 1. And the last step here is we're going to combine the octal digits. So therefore, our answer here is 153. Okay, so let's work on another example following these 3 steps. Okay, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. Okay, so again, we just need to group them into sets of 3. And we have to add leading zeros if needed. Next is to write our bases. So 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4. Then multiply the digits. It's 4, 1, 1. Okay. Okay, so for the first group, we have 4. The second group is 4 plus 1. This is 5. The last one is 2. And then combine 3. So we have 2, 5, 4 as our final answer. Okay, so how about if the numbers has a fractional part? So we have here an example 1100.01101. Okay, so first we're going to split into integer and fractional parts. Okay, so it's going to be the same. We are going to group them into 3. Okay, 0, 0. For the fractional part, so we're going to start from the decimal point onwards here. And we have to add trailing zeros if needed. Okay, so let's go ahead and convert the integer part first. 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4. So it's also going to be the same for the fractional part. Alright, so for the integer part, we have 4 here, and we have 1. And for the fractional part, let's highlight the 1 digits here. This one would be 3, this one would be 2. And don't forget the decimal point in the middle. There you go. And if we combine all of these, we will get 14.32. So this is now our answer. So right now, we can actually use a scientific calculator to convert binary numbers to octal numbers. So first thing is we're going to set up our calculator to a base mode. So look for mode or shift mode and look for base. Next is we're going to set this up to binary. So to do that, just simply click on bin and then type in the numbers. Then hit equal sign and then click on octal or oct. There we go. So the answer for the first example is 153. Next, again bin, equal sign, and then octal. So this digits is equal to 254 or 254 in the 8th base. Lastly, okay, so the last number is equal to 14.32 on the 8th base. So this is how you convert binary numbers to octal numbers.